So in this lecture, I'm going to outline and help you put into place 5 super simple systems to help you get the most out of this course and the best results for your Instagram account. So there are 5 systems. The good news, I've already done 3 of them for you. So the last 2 you're going to have to do for yourself, and it's going to be very beneficial when you do. All of these systems are set up synergistically and they all help one another and help you accelerate your growth. The very first one are badges. What I've done is I've created 6 Instagram badges for you to earn as you take this course. You treat them like checkpoints. As you go through the course, each objective you complete, you will earn an Instagram badge, and they will be awarded at the start of every module. These badges tie into the second of the 5 systems, which is giveaways and rewards. You can earn giveaways and rewards such as a $100 Amazon gift card or one-on-one personal Skype coaching with me to help you grow your Instagram account just by completing more and more of this course. The more you complete, the more you can win. I'm not going to go into specific details in this lecture because I'll include a text document that has up-to-date current prizes for you to be in the running to win. So the third thing is really important if you want to try to win some gift card or giveaway, or if you're trying to earn your certificate at the end of this course. You need to do what's called mark your lecture as complete. If you already know or don't want to take a lecture right now, it's perfectly fine. The course is set up that way so that you can have your own personal experience. But what I need you to do, instead of skipping the lecture you already know, just click the little mark as complete button as the lecture pops up in order. You'll still be earning the badges, your certificate at the end of the course, and go in the running to win the prizes as it shows that you've completed that lecture instead of skipping over it. The fourth system, which I highly recommend, I do it for all the Udemy courses that I watch, and not many people know that this feature exists, but you can actually watch this course in 1.25, 1.5, or 2 times speed. So if I'm going over an area you may already be familiar with, or maybe I'm a little bit slow in my speaking, which I may be at times, I highly recommend that you watch this course in either 1.25 or 1.5 times. If you're more intermediate with your Instagram knowledge, go ahead and put it in 2 times and see how that suits you. But it's proven that you're going to be taking more of this course the faster you watch it. So the fifth and final thing I've also done for you. So what I've done is I've created an Instagram easy guide that you can refer to at any time and see exactly the most important things from each lecture and each module and each Instagram badge that you earn. You can download this as a PDF so you can get a bird's eye overview of each module before you actually watch it, and then you can recap at any time just by referring to this document. And download that now. Also in the download package, there are a couple of extra resources I've given you and created for you. One of them is a template for your profile picture, so when you're creating this in module 2, you know the exact size and layout of the picture. You can download that also. And the third thing that you can download is the starter mission PDF. And what it is it's a really important little quick win that you can get at the start of this course to help you stay encouraged throughout the entire course. So I have a whole lecture dedicated to this and I'm going to be going through that with you. But go ahead and download that now and even take a quick read through so you know where we are when you get to that lecture. All right, that is it for all the introductions. We're ready to dive headfirst into the content. Once again, if you know something already, mark it as complete and skip on to where you are already familiar with. I'll be popping my head back in at the start of every module to award you guys your Instagram badges as you earn them. I'm looking forward to connecting with you further and getting into the content. I'll see you in the next lecture.